Sheshe. Guys, sa travel times through Lover's Bridge. Hi guys, good morning again from Taipei, and it's our day 4 here in Taipei, Taiwan. Our itinerary for today is we're going to Kansui, and then Bay2, and then Shilin. So yung tatlong destinations na yun is only they're connected sa isang train station, so it would be easier for us to transfer to the specific lines kung saan man. Pero unahin namin is si Tamsui, siya yung pinakadulong station. And then, we're heading back to Bay2 and then Shilin. And then, by night, again, baka magpunta ulit kami ng Ximending. Kasi hindi namin na-enjoy kahapon ng Ximending eh. Nag-ulan din kasi and late na kami na nakapunta. So, yeah, we're going back there. And as of today, medyo gloomy ulit yung weather. Okay naman. Kasi for 2 days, Saturday, super init na weather dito. So okay naman na mag-gloomy. Parang advantage din. We're here at Family Mart. Ito kasi yung pinakamalapit na convenience store dun sa may hotel namin. Dito breakfast for today, yung pork curry na may sisyo, pot rice, and then of course the noodles. Hey guys, so we just had our breakfast and we're heading to the Taipei main station. Doon kami sasakay ng train going to Tamsui, which is dun sa red line. So I'll see you there. We're here in Sanao Temple, so punta muna kami ng Taipei main, and then from Taipei main dun sa red line sa pinakang dulo is yung Tamsui, and then going back to Bay2, and then Shilin, and then going back to Ximending later. No, 3:32. Tamsui Shini line. Here in Taipei main station, and then going to the very last station, which is yung Tamsui station. Doors closing. Guys, so we just made it here sa Tamsui station, and travel time from Taipei main station took like 30 minutes lang, so mabilis lang yung travel time. And ang kagandahan is hindi mainit today. Ang sarap pa din yung kasi parang pagka-winter yung weather. Ilang degrees kapon? 18 eh.
18. Today, hindi ko pa nasa.
So if you're planning to go here or visit here in Taipei, yung weather is pabago-bago. Minsan mainit, at pagdating ng gabi, biglang lalamig na parang winter yung feeling. So, make sure na i-adjust yung clothing if you're going to visit Taipei, Taiwan. Hanapin na namin yung tamang exit papunta dun sa Lover's Bridge. So guys, dito na yung exit ng Tamsui. And we are going to the Lover's Bridge. So take exit 1, okay? And yung fare pala from Taipei main station going here to Tamsui is 50 NTD. So ito yung pinakang labas no Tamsui station. Parang yung siyang city.
Yes.
Ah, that's the bus. Tapos sabi ni Manong Guard, sasakay kami ng R26 na bus going to the Lovers Bridge. Labas nyo lang guys dun sa may exit 1. Ito na yung terminal ng mga buses. And we're going to find the R26 bus for us to get to the Lovers Bridge. R26 bus. So 27 and wala pa yung 26 pero meron na siyang queue. Fisherman's Wharf. So guys, yung travel time from Tamsuay Station going to Fisherman's Wharf is like mga 15 minutes. Worth it naman siya guys, no?
Uy, saan doon?
Ang ganda.
Ay, dito.
Dito ata yung way. So ito guys yung way, the restroom, Lovers Bridge, Fisherman's Wharf. So we have to turn left. Yung Fisherman's Wharf and ayun na yung Lovers Bridge. Pag dito na rin tayo din sasakay pa uwi.
So we're going to buy here the pasalubong, which is the seafood one.
Ang ganda mo dyan.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, here's the bridge. Sure. Guys, ito na yung Lovers Bridge. Oh my God.
I just can't get over.
Pagbabalik siya, parang mabilis lang, parang may shortcut. So it took us like 10 minutes pagbalik ng Tamsuay Station from the Fisherman's Wharf. Punta na kami ngayon ng Old Street and doon kami mag-late lunch. Currently it's 24 degrees, so ang sarap ng weather. Very winter-ish. So from Tamsuay Station, magta-turn left lang kayo. So dire-diretso lang kapag naglabas na kayo ng platforms. And then, ayan, pinito na yung Old Street. Kaya natin tuwin na yung mga local. Yeah. No, not spicy. So guys, dito lang muna kayo mag lalunch na konti. Magte-take ulit kami ng xiaolongbao. Okay, so one xiaolongbao 80, right? 80 RTD with ginger and soy sauce. Pork? Yeah, pork and yeah, that's spicy. So thank you. Guys, ang sarap pa din ng xiaolongbao, so you don't have to miss it when you visit Taipei. Make sure whenever you visit Taiwan, xiaolongbao is on your list. Ay, ang sarap, as in. Ganun-ganun pa din yung lasa. Same na same din sa kahapon natin na try sa Singapore. nakita kami guys na bilihan ng pasalubong na mura siya compared dun sa city mismo. Parang 1 pack for 120, 6 packs for 600. So, sinasuggest ng friend ko masarap daw yung pineapple cake. So, bili na muna kami dito ng konti kasi baka sobrang mahal nga nung sa city mismo. Tuwi na na bibilhin mo.
Hindi kasi yung nakatap.
Yeah. Meron ba dito sa may likod eh, oh? Yung pineapple cake, and then itong nougat. And then this is the pineapple cake for only 600 NTD yung 6 na pieces na ano. Saka yung brown sugar na mochi. So mura na siya compared dun sa mismong city. 120 per piece, but if 6 pieces is 6 pieces, it's only 100 NTD. So mura na din. Namin guys yung strawberry na sugar coated. Sushi. Ito na coated din with sugar. Anong cake sa inyo binili mo, Twin?
By
Mga tea, mga boba.
and
Yung boba.
of course,
Yung flags. Yep, so we're heading back to Taipei now, and try namin nahabulan yung Taipei 101 kasi hindi naman siya nakita ng night time nung last time kasi umuulan. Ang ganda dito guys yung sa parang park nila, o nakaka-relax. Bakit yung pinakang tambayan? Ano? Ang ganda yung pinakang seaside, oh. Hi guys, so we're already on the train going back to Taipei, and unfortunately hindi na kami nilito ng train because itong red line is diretso na siya sa Taipei 101, so hindi muna kami dito. I'll see you there.
没有人可以去等待，不知不觉的放开你，我们都没有那勇气 ，baby。I'm sorry, I'm so lonely，我们都没有错与对，找不到。